Can you think of something you do that's nearly irresistible, widely popular, but a bad idea that's based on a health myth? I'm talking about inserting cotton tip swabs into your ears. Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. This is Archana, and in today's video I'm going to talk about cotton tip swabs and its use and misuse. So basically the cotton tip swabs are used to clean the ears and to remove the earwax. But here the question arises, do we really need to clean the earwax? I mean, is it necessary to do so? If not, then why do these cotton tip swabs even exist? I mean, are they not meant for this purpose only? Well, to know the answer, let's first check out a pack of cotton tip swab. If we look at the back of the pack, it's clearly written over there. It says it is recommended to use cotton swabs gently to clean the ear canal and use in a circular motion to remove earwax present at the outer part of the ear. Do not insert tip of the swab deep inside of the ear. It can push earwax deeper into the ear. Avoid use of cotton swabs for cleaning the ears of your kids. Consult a physician for any ear-related problems. But let's just be honest over here. Do we really use it exactly the way it's written? No, right? In fact, we dig in deep the ear canal. Experts from American Academy of Otolaryngology Head and Neck Surgery Foundation strongly discourage twirling cotton tip swabs in the ears. Let's find out the reasons. It's unnecessary. Your ears usually do a good job cleaning themselves and don't need any extra care. Earwax is produced within the ear canal and naturally migrates from deeper inside to outside while we chew. It may be harmful. Inserting a cotton tip swab into the ear can damage the ear canal or eardrum or push earwax further into the canal, making it harder to remove. This may cause a feeling of pressure in the ear and diminished hearing. Even worse, dumps of earwax pushed down near the eardrum can lead to painful ear infections. Cerumen is there for good reasons. Cerumen is a natural moisturizer preventing the skin inside the ear becoming too dry, traps dirt and dust before they can reach deep into the canal. Absorbs dead skin cells and debris, prevents bacteria and other infectious organisms from reaching the inner ear. But what if the earwax is way too much? There are exceptions, of course. Some people make more than the average amount of earwax, and for adults, especially older adults, it becomes harder and drier than usual. When it does, doctors call it cerumenosis and recommend over-the-counter ear drops that can soften earwax and allow it to exit the ear more easily, with gentle irrigation such as during a shower. Or a healthcare provider can look inside your ear and use instruments specifically designed to remove earwax. So yeah, with that we come to the end of the video. I hope the content was helpful and now you have some clarity about cotton tip swabs and its correct use. If you have made till this part of the video, I know you have liked the content, so you already know the drill. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also follow me on my Instagram account. I shall see you all in my next video. Until then, please be safe. Bye.